Okay po, so exercise 3. First exercise, lunges tayo. So dito, magpo-progress sana tayo throughout the week naman. So first 2 weeks sana, alternating lunges lang siya. And then third, fourth week, plyo lunges tayo, yung may talon-talon ng gagawin. Okay? So first, turo muna natin paano si lunges. Lunges. Okay? So step back, down, rise, switch legs. Step, so check. Malaking step sa likod. Heels up. Nakataas yung heels sa likod. And then, ito yung magbe-bend na una. Susunod lang yung sa harapan na knee. Inhale down. Exhale up. Pull your shoulders back. Chest out. Abs tight. House sa waist. Inhale. Exhale. Then switch legs. Down. Up. So from here, step back. Down. Rise. Switch. So check. Check po yung paa. Maintain natin yung hip width. Kahit pag step back. Keep your heels up. Yung back heel. And then rise. Switch. Okay? So hindi magkocross yung legs. Pag atras, walang tayong balance dyan. Keep it open. Keep your heels up. Down. Rise. Ngayon, try natin i-maintain na naka-upright yung katawan. Okay? Yung upper body. Okay, so susunod naman dyan, kapag nag-progress na tayo through the week, so pakita natin, plyo lunges. So starting position natin, hindi na standing. So from here down, switch. Okay, tatalo na tayo. Para mas marami tayong ma-burn na calories and then mag-increase yung heart rate natin, ma-work natin yung cardio, tapos pati yung legs natin. Okay po, again, first 2 weeks, lunges lang muna. Second week, third to fourth week, plyo na tayo.